Hello and welcome. I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a circular canvas again today. I'm doing a split base with Prussian blue by Amsterdam on this side. If you've watched any of my other Dutch pours, you'll know that because this is a transparent color, I've painted the edges on this side Prussian blue too to help ensure good coverage. I'm using titanium white by Amsterdam on this side. By the way, you can find all the paint colors and the ratios listed in the description box, along with all of the other supplies too. I'm making sure I've got paint on the edges too, just to help ensure that the paint flows over easily. I'm just popping some of the air bubbles with a heat gun. Now we're ready for the colors. This is Rose Pink by Liquitex Basics, Primary Magenta by Amsterdam, 24 Karat Gold by Deco Art, their Extreme Sheen metallic paint, and Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Using the heat gun again to pop a few more bubbles. I'm trying to blow both the blue and the white slightly over the colors so that they mix a little bit. I'm using the lowest setting on this little hairdryer to blow this out. I'm trying to push the white over the paint colors from this side and the blue over the paint colors from this side. I like some of the colors that have formed, but I really don't like the composition. It looks nothing like what I was trying to go for. You'll find that will happen with fluid art. So I'm going to have to fill around a little bit with this one to see what I can do. So I'm going to use the back of a paintbrush to help create the look of petals or flowers. Between each one, I'm cleaning off the back of the paintbrush on a damp cloth. Blowing out these edges a little bit with a straw. And then I'm going to scrape off this color over here and make this section white. Okay, I think it's looking a little bit better. Let's see what it looks like from close up. So I think some of the colors are really pretty, and I kind of like the florally look of things as well. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.